making our lunch. Our late lunch.
What is that?
This is a fried salmon for Michael Klum. And then this is for me. Rice! You cannot live without rice. And okra. Ladyfinger. This is very healthy, guys. I'm becoming more healthy. Let's go. So guys, after the late lunch, we're gonna have a organic pineapple snack. So, come on. Just leave it like that. I really don't know how to slice this, but I hope this is good enough to show you guys how to. Kain tayo. Masarap siya i-dip sa asin.